Okay, there's something crazy going on here. BTC has been selling for the past couple of weeks. If you notice, BTC has been actually selling. You haven't even broken out of that consolidation for the time being, okay? And it's funny that my setups are going to actually suck right now because I have no strategy at this moment. Because my strategy is actually just following the previous candles low and then clearing that level, okay? So maybe the only strategy I'm looking for right here is for price to come at least and touch this area here. Okay, this is where we had some bit of resistance. Then afterwards we shall make a support and then continue upward. But currently I don't see any setup on Bitcoin. Actually these cells here themselves, they're kind of messed up. If I go to the M1 is also kind of creepy. M1 you have seen this massive drop, okay, this massive drop from around okay, from around there. That's how many pips? That's around 11 pips. Okay, 11 pips. So 11 pips in a drop, okay? That single drop was 11 pips. And currently we have seen that price has already broken a simple level here. If you guys can notice, there's a level here which was broken, okay? This was support. So after it broke support, we came for some bit of a pullback towards the nearest demand zone, sorry, supply zone, which was around here, okay? So price may potentially move up there, then before afterwards we may have another push downward. This is what I'm expecting. Push up, then we shall have a continuation down towards my level there. But currently on, if you go to the H4 time frame, we see that price has already made many rejections along this area, okay? This has been a resistance zone. If you guys count it, we had a drop-based drop at around that same level. The market made a huge drop, then afterwards made a continuation for another drop, okay? So we have a drop-based drop set up at around that same level. And if you go to the high time frame still, like on the daily time frame, realize that price has actually made so many weak rejections along that area, okay? So this was the previous support that price actually tapped into, and then after it continued going up, okay? So the previous support, price just touched it, and then afterwards it continued higher. So price could potentially also go back to that same low and then push back a little before the end of the day, before we have another continuation upwards. So for BTC, it's looking actually pretty good for this Sunday. It's giving me some good Sunday vibes for a buy, but I'm actually selling, so I don't care, because I know that if price is able to break that support zone, which it hasn't yet done, we have a support zone there above, okay? So the first support zone that we have above is this level around here. Price hasn't yet formed a new higher high along that level. We haven't yet seen price break that zone, okay? So because of that, I won't be hesitant, continue taking my sales, because as I've told you, this was a drop-based drop setup along the way. If you look to your left, you see that price also made a drop-based drop along that same zone. We had a manipulation, and then we had a drop base, and then another drop. So this whole area is a good area for taking in our sales. Stop loss just above this area, this key zone. So if price breaks that key zone, that means we have a likelihood that it will even continue going higher. But before it does that, we are taking in ourselves so that price can actually gain some liquidity for it to even push higher, okay? So previously price has been in a consolidation from around, if you go to the M30, this is around some good hours. If you go to the H1, for the past like 3 or 4 hours, price has been consolidating along that level. So that means this is a key zone where prices, people are now coming to the markets, okay? So they are debating whether the market will go up or it will go lower. So every possibility is a fact. But for me, I'll just wait and see what price gives me, because I'm expecting that price should actually now potentially now just start dropping, okay? We had a drop-based drop. We also cleared some support zone here, okay? Price came and cleared this support zone along this area. We had a candle close beneath the support zone, and then afterwards we are seeing another consolidation move upwards before you can see another push downward, okay? So these are all elements which I'm looking for right now, okay? These are all elements that I'm looking for right now, and the H4 is giving me all this confirmation. If the H4 fails, I shall say, and I'll call it a day, okay? Because right currently we are seeing that price is actually running up, up, okay. But we shall keep our cool, because we know if price is able to break, the first zone that we have to break is this zone here. If price breaks that level, then we have no setup. Also, if we to hold on onto this trade anyways, if price breaks that zone above here, also we have also no setup. So midway along that zone, I shall put my stop loss. So my stop loss is gonna be at 11233. So you shall copy this and then you shall just paste for the other positions, okay? Because these are big positions, so I'll first of all put a stop loss in case you have any pullback, okay? Any strong pullback, shall just put a stop loss. Then for this sell position of 0.05, also the same thing. Okay, that's good. Okay, also for this one, and I guess that's it. Shall simply just wait and see what price gives us. This is UGX, so it's not like the big money that you're used to seeing, the US dollars. But yeah, let's see and wait. Let's wait and see what price gives us, because I'm expecting another new sale coming potentially in the next few hours. Okay, I'm expecting another sale in the next few hours, so let's wait and see.